beauty standards continue to evolve, cosmetic procedures have become more popular than ever. But how do these surgeries actually work? And what transformations do they offer? Today, we're exploring four types of surgical enhancements that reshape and refine facial features. Rhinoplasty or nose job is one of the most common facial surgeries. It's done to reshape or resize the nose to better fit a person's desired aesthetic. The surgeon adjusts the dorsal hump and cartilage, sometimes removing or adding tissue to achieve the preferred shape. There are two main approaches: open rhinoplasty, where the surgeon makes a small cut under the nose for better access, and closed rhinoplasty, where all cuts are hidden inside the nostrils. Recovery takes time. Swelling and bruising lasts a few weeks, but full results take about 6 to 12 months to settle in. Like any surgery, there are risks. Some people experience asymmetry, scarring, or the need for revision surgery. Janice Dickinson, a former supermodel, underwent rhinoplasty to refine her nose, but the results were disastrous. She faced severe breathing issues, chronic pain, and an unnatural look. Multiple corrective surgeries only worsened the damage, turning her once iconic face into a cautionary tale. Even years later, she warns others about the dark side of plastic surgery. Facial liposuction is a procedure that removes excess fat from areas like the chin, jawline, and cheeks. Most people who undergo the surgery do so because they have fat deposits in these areas that do not go away with diet or exercise. The procedure involves inserting a small tube called cannula under the skin through tiny incisions to suction out the fat. Once the fat is removed, the skin gradually tightens over the area. Recovery usually takes a few weeks, with swelling and bruising gradually fading. Final results appear after a few months. Risks include uneven fat removal, numbness, and skin irregularities. Brittany Cartwright is an actress who underwent facial liposuction in hopes of eliminating her double chin. However, the results were far from what she expected. The procedure left her with an unnaturally tight, frowning appearance. She admitted to deeply regretting the choice, saying it made her look worse instead of better. A facelift is a surgical procedure aimed at reducing wrinkles and sagging skin. It is typically chosen by individuals looking for a more youthful appearance. In this procedure, the surgeon cuts along the hairline and around the ears, lifts the skin, tightens the muscles, and removes extra skin to create a smoother appearance. Recovery takes longer than some other procedures. Most people experience bruising and swelling for a few weeks, with full results appearing over the next few months. Risks include nerve damage, scarring, and hematomas, which is blood collections under the skin. Katie Price, a British media personality, has undergone several facelifts over the years, leaving her almost unrecognizable. The repeated procedures have caused excessive swelling, visible scarring, and an unnatural tightness in her face, sparkling public concerns over the drastic and damaging effects of overdone cosmetic surgery. Blepharoplasty or eyelid surgery is a surgical procedure that removes excess skin, muscle, and sometimes fat from the upper or lower eyelids to improve appearance or function. It's commonly performed to address droopy eyelids or under-eye bags, providing a more youthful look. The procedure involves making incisions along the natural lines of the eyelids, through which excess tissue is removed or repositioned. Risks include dry eyes, difficulty closing the eyes, and vision problems. Amanda Bynes, a former actress, underwent blepharoplasty to enhance her appearance, but the drastic change sparked public concern. Instead of boosting her confidence, it left her looking nearly unrecognizable, adding to her struggles with self-image. Cosmetic enhancements can surely change a face, but what truly matters is the reason behind the change. Every procedure comes with its risks, rewards, and reality. So before making a choice, make sure it's one that aligns with what you really want, not just what the world expects.